Welcome to How to Solve.
What's up guys, it's me again back with a new video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Playstore on laptop with BlueStacks. This one, BlueStacks. So what you're going to do is to go to bluestacks.com and it will take you to this kind of interface. So we can see here download BlueStacks 5 or see all versions. So let's click on see all versions. So it's up to you on what are you going to download. It will be 10 or 5. Anyway, that's just the same. The version just matter. And then once you're done uploading, as what you can see, it is already here on my taskbar. So let's just click on it because this means I'm done installing it on my laptop. Okay, and now here, this is the interface on what BlueStacks look like. So as what you can see here, we have the app player, or you can just, you can see there the application or the icon of the Play Store. So you can just type down here, search down the games that you want to install. You can install it via Google Play or you can just play it online using BlueStacks. And that's it. That's how you download games from Play Store through the use of BlueStacks. Thanks.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.